Oh, bitches, yeah. I just got a knife. And I'm out of rifle ammo. Shit. I just dived into the group and started stabbing. Holy shit! I had like 4 kills, just jumped into the group and stabbing. Before they got me, and they're like, ah, they're not supposed to stab us. I just didn't want to be the last guy. The last guy is the new zombie, and that's rough. Okay, spawning right about now. Head up. Where you at? What you got? Shit, I just... A zombie right in front of me got him. He was not expecting that. Oh, to that! Hey. I don't think we'll be able to hold this. No, because they will come up this ramp. This idiot who put boards here. Who put boards here? Now, if we get to that cupboard up there, there's no way to get to it that I know of. But that would be win. Ah, I got stabbed. Still alive? Nom nom nom. I'll be right there. Damn it, I got stuck on the ladder. Protect your area! Damn. They've actually got a good defensive spray down for once. Of course, they do that after I get killed. It happens. You still alive? Nom 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 nom. Do it from the side. I'll get you somewhere. Whee! Right at the Valkyries as we plummet. Weird. And even 4 is not utterly sucking. Holy shit. Enjoy your morale debit. The chainsaw.